You've likely heard of the law of attraction, being told to think positive, make a vision board, and send your vibrations out to the universe. But if you've tried this and the promised results didn't appear, it's easy to feel frustrated or like you have failed. The truth is, you haven't failed, you've just been using an incomplete map. The real secret to changing your life isn't in the cosmos, it's inside your head. As a psychologist with also a master's degree in physiology, who emphasize on studying the neurobiology of learning and memory, I can tell you manifestation isn't magic. It's your brain performing its natural function. So let's set aside the cosmic energy and talk about your biological mechanisms occurring in your brain that may potentially be responsible for this. Starting with your reticular activating system, then we'll get into neuroplasticity, and then talk a little bit more in detail about the neural pathways that shape your reality. These are the science-backed tools you can use to actively build on a new goal and a new life. Popular manifestation is often sold as a passive activity, caused on vibes and the idea that our thoughts alone can bend the world to our will. This approach often leads to disappointment and self-blame. When thinking about wealth doesn't make a check magically appear. It can foster a sense of helplessness, making people feel like victims of circumstances. And real manifestation isn't passive wishing. It's an active process of aiming and training your brain. So what is actually happening on a neurobiological level? Deep in the brainstem is a bundle of neurons called the reticular activating system. Think of it as your brain's personal spam filter. It shifts through billions of bits of information every second, deciding what gets your conscious attention or not. You've experienced your reticular activating system at work. Ever been in a loud room, completely tuned out until someone says your name? Or after deciding you want a specific car and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere? It's not that more of these cars are appearing. You just told your reticular activating system that this information is now important to pay attention to. This is the first mechanical step. When you set a clear, specific goal, you're actively programming your reticular activating system. You give it a new command to scan your world for related opportunities and resources that were always there but previously filtered out as irrelevant. You haven't changed the world around you. You've changed the filter through which you perceive it. Okay, let me say that one more time. You haven't changed the world around you. You've changed the filter through which you perceive it. If this makes sense and you want more science-backed strategies to take control of your life, please follow us. We skip the pseudoscience and focus on practical brain-based tools.